welcome to my channel. So if you have this kind of question here to solve, it is very simple. You don't have to stress yourself. We have this question here: if 2 all over 3 raised to the power of n bracket open 3 all over 4 raised to the power of n is equal to 256 all over 729, then the question says you should find the value of m and what and n. So this is very easy to solve. In mathematics, when you have a question, you need to do what? Find a solution to that. So with this, we know that this is the question we have, guys. 2 all over 3 all power of n bracket open multiplying 3 all over 4 power of n is equal to 256 all over 729. So guys, you're here, you're going to apply the law, the power law in indices, which states that if x raised to the power of 2 still raised to the power of 3, this is the same thing as x 2 times 3. That is, when a number raised to a power and still raised to another power, let the power multiply. And again, you also apply the law of indices, which states that if n all over p raised to the power of z, this is the same thing as n raised to the power of z all over p raised to the power of z. So everything inside is going to affect by the power. So we are going to apply the same law here with this. So which means 2 also is going to carry that power of what? Power of m. So that would be 2 raised to the power of m divided by 3 raised to the power of m. Here 3 raised to the power of n all over 4 raised to the power of n. And this is the same thing as 256 all over 729. Then with here, we discover that if you see this question here, you discover that we are going to see we have 3 here, we have 3 here. So that here 2 we need to have what? 2, so that we can apply the law which state that when you are dividing, you should do what? Subtract the powers. So with that, we now have 2 raised to the power of m all over 3 raised to the power of m, 3 raised to the power of n all over. So here 4 means 2 times what? 2, and this is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 2. So where we see 4, we put 2 raised to the power of what? Of 2. So it's going to carry this. So with this is equal to 256 all over 729. So with this, we apply the law that when the base are the same and you are dividing, do what? Subtract the powers. So here too, the base here are doing what? The base here are the same. So we are going to do what? We're going to subtract the powers. So what we have here is 2 raised to the power of m minus 2n all over 3 m minus what? M minus n is equal to. So since we are having base of 3 and here base of 2, we try to put this one to have base of 2. So the denominator to have base of what? Of 3. So 256 base 2 will give us, that is 2 times 2, 8 times. So that is 2 raised to the power of 8 is the same thing as 256. So we now write 2 raised to the power of 8 all over. Here, when you put 3 to the power of 6, it will give you this. So it's the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 6. So with this, we know that here the base is 3, here base is 3, here base is 2, here base is 2. So when the base are the same, equate numerators and equate denominators. We are going to have 2 equations. So that will lead you to simultaneous equation. So we are going to have, so when we are going to equate the powers, which is 2 here, the power of this one, that will be m minus 2n is equal to 8 because that is the power of 2 and that is the power of, so it down to, we are going to equate the power, the base are the same, so we equate the powers. So that will give us m minus n is equal to 6. So subtract equation, let's call this one equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. So here subtract equation 2 from equation 1, that is m minus m will give you 0 minus n minus minus 2n is equal to 6 minus 8. So here minus, open this will give you plus, so minus n plus 2n is equal to 6 minus this will give you minus 2. So minus n plus 2n will give you n. So that will give you minus 2n. So since we know that the value of n is minus 2, we now substitute in any of the equation, either equation 2 or equation 1 to get our n. So from equation 1, m is minus 2n is equal to what? 8. So where we see n, we are going to put minus 2. So m minus bracket, sorry, minus 2 bracket open minus 2 again, because n is what? Minus 2 is equal to 8. So minus 2 times minus 2 is what? Is plus 4. So m plus 4 is equal to 8. So collect like terms. Taking 4 to the other side, the sign changes. So that will give you 8 minus 4 because it's having plus sign here. Going to this other side, it change to minus 4. So your m now will be equal to 4. Therefore, n is equal to minus 2. M is equal to 4. So guys, please turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Please guys, please subscribe to my channel as we go together. Thank you.